So how does this dive happen?
I need to take another sip to say that. However, I would say we submariners, we take glory in cleaning the glasses, and we say, clean the glasses, sink the ships.
Clink the glasses, sink the ships.
So here's to all the submariners worldwide. Cheers.
Yes.
If in a room full of Fauji's you go, and as everybody says, aviators will say themselves that they're aviators. Maroon berets को तुम find out कर लोगे उनके maroon के साथ, उनके beret के साथ. But however, you can see एक कोने में ना guys will be sitting with their rum and not bothered about all these guys and अपने में ही मस्त हैं. But हैं thorough professionals, they will be the submariners. The whole concept of छुप के वार करना or camouflaging yourself. You camouflage it with something or the other so that you are not visible to the naked eye. The whole concept of going subsea, where you have no means to see anything. There's no visual means. Ship है वगैरह लोग देख रहे हैं. You can finally see a target. But when you can't see a target, how will you hit it? That's where the submarines come into picture. More than physical fitness, to be a submariner, you need to be extremely mentally fit. If there is a flooding and there is an alarm which comes that there is a flooding and there is somebody on the watch, just imagine his reaction time. He gets some seconds to take the correct action. So everybody was saying I had got a new bed, this, that, mera mattress 20,000, 25,000, 50,000. I was saying, you know, what is the cost of my bed? I said 2-3 crores. I sleep on a fucking missile.
इसका मतलब ही ये है कि सबमरीन इस टाइम पे अगर एनिमी टेरिटरी में है तो तुम एनिमी के टेरिटोरियल वाटर्स में हो.
That's
इसका मतलब
for the smart people to understand. So now the only chance is either you have to do some maneuvering skills, evade yourself, or dunk yourself down and keep shut. सब बंद करके बैठ जाओ. So it's a very fearful situation.
Yeah, you need to evade basically.
और हम लोग उस टाइम पे क्या करते हैं? चुपचाप हाउसी खेलते हैं.